constant m circles and constant n circles. Constant m circles represents the magnitude. M is nothing but magnitude circles. Constant n circles represents the phase angles circles. Okay, constant m circles. So let us take g of s is the open loop system transfer function g of s, and the closed loop system transfer function. Closed loop system transfer function is c of s divided by r of s, that is equal to t of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Okay, here this is h of s is unity feedback system, so we need to consider this is as a unity feedback system, and t of s is equal to 1 plus t of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s. Okay, normally this g of s is a complex function. This can be written as x plus jy. G of s is a open loop system transfer function, and g of s if we put s is equal to j omega in this g of s, then I will get g of s is equal to g of j omega, and it is a complex notation. I can write it as x plus jy. G of j omega is equal to x plus jy, and if I substitute t of s, a closed loop system transfer function, in that replace s with j omega, t of j omega is equal to g of j omega divided by 1 plus g of j omega, and this g of j omega, we know that it is x plus jy divided by 1 plus x plus jy here. Here the magnitude m is equal to magnitude of t of j omega, that is equal to x plus y, that is square root of x square plus y square divided by square root of 1 plus x whole square plus y square, and squaring on both sides, this is m here, that is m square is equal to x square plus y square divided by 1 plus x whole square plus y square. Multiply this one, that is m square into 1 plus x whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square, and m square into 1 plus x square plus 2x plus y square is equal to x square plus y square. Here m square into x square plus 2m square into x plus m square into y square plus m square. If I expand this one, then I will get this one, that is equal to x square plus y square. M square x square minus x square, if I take this term here from here to here, and plus 2m square x, if I take this term from here to here, m square into y square minus y square plus m square is equal to 0. Take x square is common here, x square into m square minus 1 plus 2m square x, take y square as common here, y square into m square minus 1 is equal to minus m square, and multiply this equation with minus 1, then I will get x square into 1 minus m square minus 2m square into x plus 1 minus m square into y square is equal to m square. Divide this equation with 1 minus m square, x square minus 2m square divided by 1 minus m square into x plus y square, that is equal to m square divided by 1 minus m square. Okay, that is x square minus 2m square divided by 1 minus m square into x plus y square is equal to m square divided by 1 minus m square. Okay, and I need to write this equation in this form, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to sum r square, which represents the circle equation. Okay, so for that I am going to modify this equation. So it is x square minus 2a into x, that is x square minus 2 into A is nothing but here m square divided by 1 minus m square, and x plus a square. I need to add this one, that is m square divided by 1 minus m square whole square, a square it is, and subtract this one, m square divided by 1 minus m square, 1 minus m square whole square plus y square is equal to m square divided by 1 minus m square. Here it is x square, if it is a, if you assume this one as a, x square plus a square minus 2ax. So I can read it as x minus a whole square, that is x minus m square divided by 1 minus m square whole square. These three terms can be written like this, plus this one y minus 0 whole square. If I take this term to the right side of this equation, then I will get m square divided by 1 minus m square, this one, plus m square, that is m power 4, m square whole square divided by 1 minus m square whole square, that is equal to, if I take 1 minus m square whole square as a LCM here, then m square into, this is 1 minus m square plus m power 4, that is equal to m square minus m power 4 plus m power 4 divided by 1 minus m square whole square, this power 4, this one, that is m square divided by 1 minus m square whole square, that is m divided by 1 minus m square whole square, this is this one, and this one is equal to x minus m square divided by 1 minus m square whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So this is like a x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to some r square. So that represents a circle equation, and the center here is a comma b is equal to m square divided by 1 minus m square comma b is nothing but 0, and radius r is equal to m divided by 1 minus m square. So this represents a circle equation, and these circles are can be written like this, that is suppose here let me draw here, this is m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, and suppose this is, suppose this one m square divided by 1 minus m square, this can be written as 1 divided by 1 by m square minus 1. Suppose m is equal to 0, if m is equal to 0, what will become to this circle and what will become to this center? This is 1 divided by 1 by m minus m here. Suppose m is equal to 0, what will happen? 1 divided by 0, this is infinity, 1 divided by infinity. So this one, this center is nothing but 0 comma 0 is the center, 0, this one is 0 already, and this one is 0 also. So 0 comma 0 is the center, and what is the radius? M is equal to 0, 1 divided by 0, this is infinity. So this radius is also 0, radius is also 0. So that means the center is 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma 0, and radius is also 0. Suppose m is equal to infinity, m is equal to infinity, what is this one? This is nothing but this one, that is m is equal to infinity is nothing but 1 by infinity, that is 0, 1 divided by 0 minus 1, this will become minus 1. So the center is minus 1, already it is 0, 0, the center is 0 minus 1 comma 0. And what is the radius here? Radius is nothing but m is equal to infinity. If I substitute 1 by infinity is equal to 0, it is infinity. This one is 1 divided by infinity. So this total is 0. Radius is 0 here. Radius is also 0. And the center is minus 1 comma 0. So this is minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, and the radius is this one. That means this is the point when m is equal to 0, and this is the point when m is equal to infinity. And when m is equal to 1, what is this centers here? What is the center? It is 1 minus 1, 1 divided by 1 minus 1, 0, that is infinity. So this is infinity. So this one is infinity, and radius is also 1 minus 1, this is also infinity. So this line is a big circle, it is a big circle which will present in between these two points, that is minus 1 by 2. It's a big circle, which is having the center minus infinity comma infinity, and also the radius is infinity. Radius is infinity. Infinity comma 0. Sorry, this is infinity comma 0. This why? Because it is 0, 0. Radius is infinity here, and this center is infinity comma 0. That is minus infinity. So this is this will be infinity circle. This will be infinity circle with a radius of infinity. So which can be represented with a line here. This is m is equal to 1 line. This is called as m is equal to 1 line, and the circles are, and the circles whenever the circles will be drawn here, whenever m is equal to less than 1, the circles will be present like this. This is one circle, this is one circle, and this is another circle, it is another circle, like that. There are so many circles will be there, and this is m is equal to, suppose it is 0.6, 0.5, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. If m values decreases, then the circle radiuses will be decreases here. If m is greater than 1, if m is greater than 1, the circles will be like this. The circles will be like this. The circles will be like this. And this is m is equal to 1.2, 1.4, it is 1.8, it is 2, like that. So the circles will be like this. This is nothing but m circles, which represents the magnitude circles, which represents the magnitude circles. Next here constant n circles, constant n circles, constant n circles. In this constant n circles, suppose here just we now will discuss here g of s is the open loop system transfer function, and the closed loop system transfer function c of s divided by r of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Since h of s is equal to unit of feedback, replace with 1, and g if I substitute here, put s is equal to j omega, and this will become g of s. So g of s will become g of j omega, and it is a like a complex function x plus jy, and it is a transfer function t of s, closed loop system transfer function. Put s is equal to j omega, t of j omega is equal to x plus jy divided by 1 plus x plus jy here, and also here it is unit of feedback, it is unity. Okay, angle of t of j omega, angle of t of j omega is equal to phi, that is equal to tan inverse of y by x divided by tan inverse of y divided by 1 plus x here. Tan inverse of y divided by 1 plus x here. So this is a angle, this is one angle, this is another angle. So phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x minus tan inverse of y divided by phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x minus tan inverse of y divided by 1 plus x. Now let us apply tan on both sides. This will become tan phi, that is equal to tan of tan inverse of y by x minus tan inverse of y divided by 1 plus x here. Tan of a minus b can be written as tan of a minus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the formula. So let us apply this formula for this equation. So it is tan of tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse tan will get cancelled here. So that is y by x minus y divided by tan b. It is y divided by 1 plus x divided by 1 minus tan a. Tan a is nothing but tan of this one. So that is y by x into tan b is nothing but tan inverse of this one. Tan inverse of tan will get cancelled here. That is y divided by 1 plus x here. So this is equal to y into 1 plus x minus x into y divided by x into 1 plus x. If I take x into 1 plus x is a LCM here. Similarly here also it is x into 1 plus x minus y square divided by x into 1 plus x. This one and this one will get cancelled here. So finally y plus xy minus xy divided by x plus x square minus y square. Xy will get cancelled here. That is y divided by x square minus y square plus x. So this is nothing but it is tan phi. It is tan phi, and this tan phi is taken as a capital N. So n is equal to tan phi is equal to y divided by x square plus x minus y square. So you multiply this n into x square plus x minus y square is equal to y. So n into x square, or x square plus x minus y square is equal to y divided by n. X square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to minus y square minus y divided by n is equal to 0. Here I made a mistake here. Tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by, it is 1 plus tan a tan b. So this will become 1 plus. Here also it will become plus. Here also it will become plus. It is plus. Okay. So it is it will become plus here. So it will become plus. It will become plus. And also here it is plus y square minus y divided by n is equal to 0. And this total one can be written as x plus 1 by 2 whole square. X plus 1 by 2 whole square. And this one. This is can be written as y square minus 2 into 1 by 2n into y plus 1 by 2n whole square minus 1 by 2n whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, already it is present here, is equal to 0. There will not be any changes here. 2 will get cancelled, so that it is y by n, and this one will get cancelled, and this term I wrote here, that is equal to 0. It is x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus it is y a square minus 2ab plus b square, like this. So I can write as y minus 1 by 2n whole square. These three terms can be summarized like this, that is equal to 1 by 4n square plus 1 by 4. So this is like I can write as x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 2n whole square, that is equal to square root of 1 by 4n square plus 1 by 4 whole square. So it is like a x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Here the center is a comma b is equal to, center is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2n, and the radius here is 1 by 4n square plus 1 by, this radius here is r is equal to square root of 1 by 4n square plus 1 by 4. So this represents a circle equation, and if you draw the circles here, the circles will be like this. So it is let us assume it is minus 60 degrees, it is plus 60 degrees, it is plus 30 degrees. Here also another circles, if you draw the circles, it is 60 degrees, minus 60 degrees, it is minus 30 degrees. So it is nothing but this represents the constant n circles, and also it is constant n circles. And also Nicholas chart, this Nicholas chart represents, it is a chart or it is a graph in between the phase angle versus the magnitude.